Hello everyone, my name is Manshu Sharma, Technical Engineer in Samco Infratech Private Limited. Today I am going to demonstrate it about Bluetooth Active Balancer rating 24S 10 ampere. Now I am going to tell you about this device operate with application based software through we can say full detail about every string voltage. You can see setting, we can set 16 string voltage setting. This is cell count, trigger delta voltage. Trigger delta voltage means difference between two cells, maximum valence current, power of volume. This is a total voltage. For balancing the battery pack, click here balance. For balancing the battery pack, click here balance. This is the higher voltage, this is lower voltage. 2.568, 2.565. This is the balance current, 10.10 ampere. Average cell voltage, balance board voltage. This is the difference between higher and lower cell. This is the cell wire resistance. Thank you for watching this video. If this video informative for you and if you want to live demo of this machine as well as another machine, you can visit our head office, Delhi Padparganj Industrial Area. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.